Oh, look at that. She's licking. Hello, Srija. What are you doing?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our sketch with the M&M cookie.
Cookie for the first time.
Yeah. For making a cookie, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get fun.
Yeah.
Click the thumbs up. These are the recipes we need.
Oh, these are the recipe we need. That's true. So what do we need?
We need eggs.
Eggs.
And what is this?
This is baking powder.
We need baking powder, sugar, and
But unsalted butter.
salted butter, M&Ms, and other chocolate, flour, and coconut.
Yeah,
This
butter.
is yummy.
Oh, you think it's gonna be yummy? So are you ready to make it up?
Yeah, first we are gonna add up the egg.
Okay, you wanna put the eggs?
Yeah, just like this.
Okay, egg.
Make it. I got it.
You got it. And then you wanna add this butter?
Yeah, that was.
Butter.
It's too hot.
That's not hot. Now you can add up the sugar. That's the half. Yay! Oh, look at that. She's licking.
Lives on Drury Lane.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Now it's done. Flour, yes.
Just water.
Yeah. Boom. Oh, that's good.
Now we have to mix it up. I
Okay.
got a spoon.
You can mix it up. There you go. Now let's put the chocolate M&M.
Okay.
M&M.
This is chocolate.
You can put it all together.
And I put chocolate. Okay.
That's good. Now, and the coconut flakes. Yay!
Now we need the milk mixer to stir it together again.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna fix the cookie dough with the tray.
Yay!
Hi guys, we are gonna put these on the oven.
Look at that.
Whoa, that is cool.
I know it is getting it right. Look at that. Oh my god, look. Yay. We hope think the cookie gonna be yum yum. We'll be right back. Let's give them the
Hi guys, the cookies are ready.
yeah.
Now we're gonna put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cookies on the there.
Yeah guys, yeah, the cookie is done. It looks a little better, but I don't know how it looks. You can tell that. But this is our very first time. We'll do it very good the next time. So it's already set for like 10 minutes. So let's see if it is hard. Yeah. Yay! Those are the cookies.
That's the M&M.
M&M, I know. Look at that.
This is for this. I like this one.
You like
This
that?
for you.
What do you think, Sriza?
Good.
You wanna try it?
I'm gonna try the yellow one.
Okay.
It's not better or this. I'm gonna try only the yellow.
Okay, you can try the yellow. Where is the yellow?
Down there.
Okay, she said. So you wanna try this yellow one? Let's see how it looks, guys. Look. Ah, look at the coconut flakes. It looks better. Here is the yellow one.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it. How it's.
Mmm.
That's so good.
Hi guys, cookies are yummy. You now thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the comments. Click the thumbs up. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching RS Kids Fun. Hope you like our very first time making baking cookies. They don't look that good like the professional kind, but they taste yummy. Hope.
This is just like this.
So, bye.